Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2024. Ayan, so this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Aries, let's see. Energies for you ngayong January. What's up? January 2024. You have purification. Ayan. So, maaring meron kang i-cleanse, i-remove na nega energy sa paligid mo. Oo, detoxification rin yan. You might be doing some sort of cleansing. Oo, kasi pag start ng year, diba? Yan yung time na you are preparing yourself for new beginnings, new opportunities. And one way to do that is first to cleanse the energies around you. So, you also have life's purpose. So, I think, ngayong 2024, January, you will focus on your purpose in life. Parang you want to set the tone ngayong January pa lang, no? Kung saan direction yung tatahakin mo. More on a serious note to for you. Very serious ka ngayon sa life's purpose mo, sa destiny mo. What else? You have creativity, fire agate. Yes, you're going to be more creative in a lot of things. You will tap into your creative gifts, no? Mga talents mo. I also see you becoming more inspired to express yourself through arts, through music, through creating something, no? Yung iba pwedeng content creation or anything that you use your hands to create a masterpiece, o diba? Creating a masterpiece. So let's see what else for Aries, January 2024. Overall energy, you have the Two of Pentacles. Kind of busy, no? Marami kang mga pagkakaabalahan, but kaya mo siyang i-manage, no? Someone might be helping you na magawa mo yung maraming bagay, no? This can be your partner or someone you love. Yung iba, pagsasabayan yung pagtatrabaho at pagnenegosyo. What is the Two of Pentacles? O, diba? Eight of Pentacles. Work for you, Aries. You're going to master something. Yung innate talent mo eh. Skills mo, abilities mo, mas gagalingan mo pa. Oo. Parang yung iba, you are preparing yourself na mag-transition. Let's say you have a work or a job, no? And then meron kang if you figure out sa creativity mo, sa talents mo, other skills mo, if you can earn money, kung kaya mong kumita ng pera doon at pagsasabayin mo yan doon sa current job mo or career mo, and then pagmamasdan mo, no, kung ano yung magiging turnout nung creative passion mo na yan. And kung mag-turn out man yan na maganda, positibo, you're going to feel this situation kung kaya mong pagsabayan. So, kung kaya mo, then pupursue mo na yun. So, let's see your challenge. The challenge is the Wheel of Fortune. Oo. Movement. Okay, moving forward, and also challenges your destiny rin. So, pwedeng sa una medyo confused ka about which one to take, which path to take, kung alin yung susubukan mo. Kasi maaring marami kang options available at this time. So, kumbaga, tinitingnan mo pa saan ka mas interesado. What is the Wheel of Fortune? The Tower. Meron ka talagang kailangang baguhin, no? I think itong pagbabago na to is ah, ikaw mismo yung mag-initiate niyan. Oo, hindi siya yung tipong wala kang choice. Ikaw mismo yung magbibigay ng changes na yan. Although, it may be challenging for you kasi pwedeng meron kang kailangang bitawan na alam mong hindi na worth it for you. But, eventually, no, magiging fruitful naman ito. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Aries? You have the Page of Wands. Yes. So, tinan mo siya. Siya'y maglalakbay. Oo. So, iniisip mo pa kung kaya mo na maglakbay on your own. Kasi parang may hinihintay ka na sasama sa'yo or mag-guide sa'yo. But I think you can do it on your own. Kasi kailangan lang dyan lakas ng loob. What is the Page of Wands? The Seven of Pentacles. Yes. This is about working really hard towards your goals and dreams and focus on yung resulta. Kasi di ba pag tayo ay medyo nag-focus talaga tayo sa resulta, alam natin na ito yung mangyayari kapag ginawa natin ng isang bagay, then definitely we will be inspired, to finish it, na trabahuhin talaga yon. And then your blessing is the Moon, which is your instinct, your emotions. I feel like merong marireveal about yourself, no? Tingnan mo siya, nakatingin siya sa reflection niya. Akala niya isa lang siyang maliit na pusa. Pero talaga siya pala? Ang tawag doon? Panther, o 'di ba? So I feel like you will realize your true power, your strength. You also have the Two of Cups. I think someone is also going to help you realize that. Yung tipong merong person na talagang nakasuporta sa'yo at ipaparealize sa'yo kung gaano ka kagaling, kung gaano ka talented. Minsan kailangan lang talaga natin na merong nag-motivate sa atin, That can be a romantic partner or someone very close to you. So, sa money, career, finances, diba? Something better awaits. So, meron daw magandang paparating sa'yo, sa iyong kaperahan. Meron kang kailangan ring ipag-adjust, sa spendings mo. Wag masyadong magastos ngayong January. You have a decision to reconsider. So, yung mga dati mo nang napag-desisyonan, pwedeng pag-aaralan mo ulit pagdating sa pera, sa trabaho, or sa business. The people you are always with influence your future. Yes. So, I think yung mga taong hahayaan mong maging part ng buhay mo, sa trabaho mo, sa career, sa business, sila yung, parang kumbaga sila yung paghuhugutan mo ng energy, to go forward. And someone who is very close to you is definitely there for you, guiding you through. So, sa naman? Love life. Love life. Someone is regretful about their actions. O merong may kipag-ayos. Oo, can be a family member na nagkaroon kayo ng fallout. Oo. Pwedeng na-realize na niya kung ano yung nagawa niya sa'yo. So, magre-reach out ito. Someone na medyo merong toxic behavior sa family. This can be a romantic partner, Just take what resonates. But this is someone na naging parte ng buhay mo or major part of your life. Like, it's either talagang kadugo mo or you treated this person as a family. Parang na-realize na yung kanyang mga nagawa sa'yo. Tapos, magsusorry. And I think, mangingibabaw pa rin sa'yo yung love mo for this person. And eventually, you will be able to resolve this. Kasi parang inisip mo, yes, family talaga. So, let's see the final message for Aries. January. Outflank adversaries by keeping a low profile unless threatened. Ayan, low-key ka lang daw ngayon, Aries, ngayong January. You were work in silence. Kasi, syempre, baka, umiiwas ka rin sa mga evil eyes, Minsan kasi yung iba, kapag nakikita na may umaangat sa buhay, pwedeng subconsciously, they get jealous or envious, and they're sending negative energies to the person. So, ngayon, medyo maingat na kayo. Oo, parang you just work in silence and focus on achieving your goals. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.